In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use Apple Intelligence on iPhone 14 Pro or iPhone 14 Pro Max and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, Apple Intelligence has been released and it can help you unlock and use various different functions around your iPhone. You can give requests to Apple Intelligence, it will give you answers, and overall, you can use a lot of features alongside it. Now, can you get it to work on an iPhone 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max, or any other model? Well, the main way to do this is to go over to the settings after you get the Apple Intelligence pop-up, which happens if you update to iOS 18. And when you head over to the settings, you will find it here, Apple Intelligence and Siri. What you have to do is enable the option, which, like I said, will become available upon updating to iPhone or iOS 18. However, if you try to do these same steps on an iPhone 14, even though you can update to iOS 18, you will not be able to find Apple Intelligence and Siri under the settings. So why is this? Well, if we visit the official support website for Apple at support.apple.com, they clearly mention iOS 18 here, but then under the iPhone requirements, they only mention iPhone 16 models, 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max. So, sadly, as it stands today, the answer to the question in the title of this video is that using Apple Intelligence on iPhone 14 Pro or Pro Max is not possible. This is a hardware limitation. So essentially, it doesn't have the chip, the CPU, the GPU needed to get Apple Intelligence to work. Because these devices do not have the hardware needed, you cannot simply perform an update. You will literally have to replace your device with a modern one. Even if you are on iOS 18, you will not be able to use these features. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that Apple Intelligence requires a very modern and very recent iPhone, and sadly, the iPhone 14 Pro is not included on the list of compatible devices. If this video answered any questions that you had on how to use Apple Intelligence on iPhone 14 Pro or 14 Pro Max, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching!